What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KD, and y'all back on my gaming channel, yo. Today I got another banger for you guys. We have a 2-point camera setup, and we are going to be unboxing my brand new microphone. So right off the bat, I already know what y'all saying. This sounds like crap. And you're not lying, because I'm using my internal microphone. I want you guys to be able to experience the difference between the internal microphone and actually using the lav mic. So today we're going to be unboxing the PoP Lavalier
You big dummy
microphone that you pin onto your lapel. And I can't wait to get into this video with you guys right after the intro. Okay, we're gonna switch to our other camera and we're gonna be doing our unboxing. And maybe I should have gone ahead and gotten my knife out so that we can unbox this. So let me go ahead and do that right now. We have here my K-bar knife that I got back in the military. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Now I got this lavalier knife from Amazon, and it wasn't expensive at all, honestly. It was like super cheap. And I also got the lightning cable. We have the lavalier. We have the lightning cable for the phone, because I'm going to be recording my audio through my phone. And we also have the actual mic. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and unbox what comes in this particular package. So you get this awesome, nice little bag. See, it's a nice, super nice bag. And inside of it, you have the microphone, which is like super heavy duty. It's real nice. And you have some accessories here. Don't know if y'all can see that. Yep, you have some accessories. Alright, y'all, again, for clarity, this is what my internal camera microphone sounds like. My camera that I am using is a Canon M50, the best camera out here right now. And so just for a test, I just want you guys to know that this is what my internal camera sounds like without adding the mic. Now I'm going to switch and add the microphone. And I'll be adding the microphone by recording my voice through my phone and then attaching it to the video so that you guys can hear the difference. And I will add a test with the microphone directly plugged into the camera. So we'll see. This is a test of what the microphone sounds like, all put together, recording through my phone. Again, I'm using the Canon M50. It is attached to my collar on my shirt and to my phone. And this is what that sounds like. No filters, no tests, nothing. This is the test. Now we're back to the camera, just so we can get clear of what the camera sounds like prior to me connecting the microphone directly into the camera. Now the good part of this is the cord is long. It's super long, and it's long enough to connect to the camera without you guys ever seeing it in frame. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and we'll hear the test with the microphone connected to the camera. Alright you guys, this is a test with the microphone attached directly into the camera using the adapter for the EOS M50, and this is what it sounds like attached to me. I'm sure it sounds 110% better than it being no microphone at all. Now I do have a couple of microphones here. I have my HyperX Quadcast. I also have a Blue Yeti connected to a Yeti caster, and I also have a budget microphone that connects also to the camera. But I have to honestly say, I think this is going to be my favorite because it's directly close to me. You can hear me clearly. It's omnidirectional. It's awesome. You can hardly see it. It'll be connected to my chest. I'm sure if you're staring at it, you're going to see it. But whatever. I don't care. It's going to make my videos awesome. So yeah, with that being said, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and all those awesome things. We'll be recording more videos once I move next week. If you guys want to tune into my moving vlog, make sure you go over to the channel in the description, which is my main channel. It's just called KD, where I do vlogs and reactions to other YouTubers that are out here. Make sure you follow all my social medias and all those awesome things, and I'll see you later. Peace.